This smells fantastic.
Hi! We've come into a place called Wyndows.
Day 2 in Phuket, day 10 of the trip overall. We're out looking for some breakfast because we're going to spend a few hours around the pool, but we need something to eat first from Phuket's culinary delight. So, see what we're just wondering to see what appeals to us as we're wandering around, and then we'll pick somewhere. Enjoy that. We're going to give the Neighbours Kitchen Bar a try, which you've heard good things about.
I have read some people said it had some good food in it.
Let's try it then.
I want to sing the Neighbours song, by the way.
Neighbours.
The cream cheese doesn't want to spread. I'll taste first because I don't like it. Maple latte with oat milk, really good.
Go on. What was the noise you just made? Let's try this orange juice. Orangey. This smells fantastic.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect. Right, let's
Perfect.
want to try a potato.
What's the flavourings on them?
Deliciousness. They're soft, crispy, and I don't know what the stuff is.
Garlic?
Maybe.
Herbs?
Right, I'm going to try.
They look like they're perfectly done.
The hollandaise has got a bit of sweetness. The bacon's crispy enough. The muffin's very toasty. Really nice.
The egg's good. It's a duck egg or an egg.
Just a chicken egg. What a magnificent find. That was absolutely delicious. Like, probably the best eggs Benedict I've ever had. And those potatoes were like, had loads of crispy garlic on them. That's what it was. Absolutely beautiful. The potatoes were so good. We've ordered another portion, so Shaun and I can eat some. The menu choice on here as well, in here, quite a lot of choice. You've got pancakes, waffles, crepes, full English breakfasts, bagels, Benedicts, and that's just the breakfast stuff, and then you've got all the evening. Highly recommend this place.
Yeah, there's all sorts.
Yeah.
And the coffees, and there's a lot of coffee choice and tea choice as well.
Staff are lovely as well.
Yeah. Ooh. That one was better than the one I had off your plate. It was a lot more softer inside.
That breakfast was banging, wasn't it?
It
So
was
good.
absolutely lovely, yeah. I mean, I only had a bagel. My bagel was nice, but those potatoes were amazing. And my coffee was the best coffee I've had so far this holiday, by far.
Time for a pool chill?
Yeah, you go in the pool.
Right there.
Is it cold?
This is a better spot. Can put my legs up. That pool is freezing cold. We have finished at the pool for today. Nice few hours just chilling, relaxing, couple of drinks. The pool was freezing cold though, so I didn't spend really any time in there. We're heading up towards Old Town. We're going to explore a bit more of that tonight. We're a little bit earlier though because my prescription sunglasses broke. One of us sat on them, bent them, and the lenses popped out. So I need to either get them fixed or get some new ones. So we're going to see if we can find an optician. Also need to find somewhere to get Caroline a wash and blow dry because I leave soap in her hair. So we need to find a decent time on to do it. And then we'll check out the Harry Potter bar. I think is probably the plan, yeah.
Yeah, we've literally just noticed as we're coming round, there's a craft ale bar just over from the hotel, and Shaun loves a nice beer.
Would be rude not to check that place out.
He loves a nice beer. Hi! Hi! Hi, aren't you lovely? Hi! You're gorgeous! Oh, you're beautiful! Hi! Hi! How gorgeous! You are lovely!
Look how happy she is.
Glass is fixed, and they didn't charge you either, did they? So they fixed the bend and the thingy.
Come to Somsack Optic.
Can you get it in a better?
Come to Somsack Optic. They were fantastic. We were just like, yeah, we'll fix them.
No charge.
No charge.
They fixed them. They fixed the bend and they put them back in for you.
Fixed the arms, which were really bent, and pop the lens back in. I do want some darker sunglasses though.
You do. Coffee talk. They do all day breakfast apparently.
Looks like a really cool place. It's next to the museum.
Yeah, it's next to the museum.
Next to the Phuket Museum, which is closed.
It is. We need to find somewhere to
Get your hair washed.
We do need to find the hairdressers.
I still can't get over how nice they were in the opticians.
Yeah, that was really nice of them. Really,
Thank you very much.
Nice wash and blow dry done. Feel nice and clean again now. Because of 300 baht plus a tip there.
And it's this beauty salon of the massage place
It
we
is the
used.
beauty salon of the massage
Really
place
lovely
that I went
people.
to. Yeah, really, really nice. I felt like I had a good scrub.
Feel fresher?
Much fresher.
Much fresher. So that's the chores done.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
Food and libation. We've come into a place called Wyndows, which does coffees, cakes, and milk. So I've gone for a tiramisu latte made with oat milk, and I've got a tiramisu cake as well.
How cool the place is.
Yeah,
though.
it's really funky.
Half inside, half outside. And then you've got the coffee place, it's the inside bit. And here are our goodies. Look at that slab of tiramisu that Caroline's got. I've went for a strawberry shortcake. And you went for a tiramisu latte, which looks impressive.
But mine's made with soy milk.
And I've went for a simple caramel milk. Are you meant to dip that in there?
Wow. Okay.
You're thinking I should have just got the coffee and not the cake as well?
I'm thinking exactly that.
Mm-hmm. Because there's cake on it. Mm-hmm. Never mind, double tiramisu. Let's try my caramel milk. Just milk with caramel. Delicious.
Oh,
Is it better than the coffee?
I haven't really tasted that yet. At first it tasted very alcoholic, and then the next bite didn't. Like the way.
You look beautiful with your hair all puffy. You look beautiful, babe.
Thank you.
I don't know if you like it or you don't.
Neither do I.
Really moist cake, delicious cream, fresh strawberries. A Exactly what you want in a strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, the tiramisu is very moist as well. Very creamy, very chocolatey. I couldn't taste as much of the mascarpone, but then all of a sudden, my last bit that I took, I did.
Delicious. I found you your biggest fan. Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's a nice one. Want a taste?
We've just finished in that bar, and now we're coming here to try some local street food, like a little hawker centre, because it seems like it's going to be delicious according to the reviews. The staff in that bar though, and we're going to go back after we finished food, were fantastic. Fantastic staff, great music. There's a band coming on though, so we're going to go back after we finish food here. Really, really good. I recommend that Juicy Burgers Bagel Bar. There's lots of individual stalls in here, but Caroline has picked Hokkien noodle, which is going to get the vegetable mihun pad, Phuket. There's also, that's all a vegetarian stall, and there's lots. Well, there's not a lot, but a few. Shaun spicy, but no spicy dishes in here. And I'm going for pork bone, I think the bee's just missing, noodle soup. Specifically, this roast pork with garlic sauce, which sounds appealing. So there's my barbecue pork with garlic base with egg and a little soup, all the spicy bits. And here's your veggie noodles, veggie Hokkien pad made.
Your sauce smells really nice. I had a little smell of it.
You're right. I've added the chilli. She did warn you, Caroline.
She did.
Watch when you put in the chilli, the fan will blow in your eyes.
It hasn't got any. It didn't go in my eyes though.
It went everywhere else. Okay, tell us how good your 70 baht noodles are.
Good.
Good?
I don't know whether that's fish sauce. That's definitely vinegar.
Mine was 79 baht.
It's blowing everywhere.
Oh. That's good pork. Good rice. That garlic sauce is fantastic. Don't know what that is, but it's delicious.
The vinegar makes this even better.
Well, that's some sort of soup, but it's delicious. The vinegar on yours?
Yep.
The soup's amazing.
Good.
Welcome to the Old Town, California. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator.
You want to be part of the band?
Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. With my eyes on a bit, I know the way that I start, but that's nothing else to compare. The size of you make me weak.
Take this guy.
Love you.
That bar was fantastic. Amazing staff, and amazing band. For the Anfield Cafe, which we were walking past on the way back to the hotel, they've got the match on. They told us it wasn't on.
I can't believe the lied. I can't believe it. We're losing though. Have you had a nice night?
Yes, because we won. Newcastle won. And in the Anfield Cafe, and they said the match wasn't going to be on, but it was. We would have watched the whole thing.
We've got the second half. Well, halfway through the second half.
Anyway, we're heading back to the hotel. I've had a good night. We spent a lot of money in, I don't know what that bar was called, but the one that's attached to the Juicy Burger place. Really good band, really good staff, really good beer and drinks.
Shaun made friends with Germans and also
Russians and Luxembourgians
Yep.
and French. We chatted to lots of people tonight. We went back to the hotel, and that's
You went
day
back.
2 in Phuket Town.
You went back to the hotel.
No, we're going back to the hotel, babe.
You just literally.
We're heading back.
You just said we went back to the hotel.
Oh yeah, we're heading back now. We'll be back tomorrow with another video where we show you the Old Town market on an evening. So we hope you enjoy that, and we hope you tune in. If you're not subscribed, you'll not see the video. So you gotta hit that button down below. Keep making memories.
He'll catch you later.